That's tofu back there. What's going on, everybody? Josh White here, and you're watching another JDub Twins episode. Before we get started today, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell also so you can be notified of our latest videos. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about 5 things that I hate about my 2020 Mustang GT Premium Performance Pack 1. Let's get it. Alright, I had to make sure that the mic was on. The first thing we are going to talk about is the hood prop. I think that the Mustang GT is an amazing car. What I hate is that it has a freaking hood prop. Why is a 2020 Mustang GT, I mean, in this modern age, why does any car have a hood prop now? I can understand if it was the base Mustang GT, but the fact that my car is premium and has the Performance Pack 1, it just annoys the crap out of me that I'm still seeing a hood prop under the hood. If it's the premium version, if it's the Performance Pack version, it should come with hood struts. Now, Ford Performance, they offer a hood strut, hydraulic hood struts on their website that you can purchase and install them afterwards. But honestly, there should have been the option to get the hood struts installed whenever you custom order the vehicle, if anything, right? Give me an opportunity to purchase the hood struts in the when I'm custom ordering it, so that way it comes with it when I get the car. Yeah, the second thing that I hate about my car is the brake dust and the rims. I understand over time a car is going to accumulate some brake dust, right? But it seems like almost the day after I wash my car, the rims are covered with brake dust, and it just drives me nuts. All right, and also I love the Performance Pack rims. I really do. I think they look awesome. But they are a pain in the butt to clean. They have all those spokes, and you gotta get in between them, and it just takes way longer than I would like for it to clean my rims. Since we're getting the Performance Package, in either Performance Pack 1 or Performance Pack 2 should come with ceramic brake pads. They perform better than your standard brake pad, and they produce less brake dust. Honestly, in my opinion, if you get the Performance Pack 1 or 2, it should come with ceramic brake pads and not your standard brake pads, right? So the third thing I hate about my car is the fix-a-flat kit and the fact that it doesn't come with a spare tire, all right? So, maybe I'm old school, but I feel as though every car should come with a spare tire. And in the case of my car, it doesn't come with a spare tire because I got the Performance Pack 1. And it's the same deal if you get the Performance Pack 2. They don't make a spare tire that's going to be able to fit over those massive Brembo brakes, okay? So instead it comes with a fix-a-flat kit that I had to use within 3 weeks of getting my car because unfortunately I got a flat and it didn't even freaking work. I had to end up getting it towed, and something I could have avoided altogether if it would have came with a spare tire. But like I said, Ford doesn't even make a spare tire you can order off the website. I had to order a custom spare tire for my car. The spare wheel tire actually fits over the Brembo brakes. It looks pretty cool, and yes, it cost me $500, but at least it comes with the spare tire, the jack, and it just gives me peace of mind whenever I'm traveling long distances, knowing that I can use a spare tire if I catch a flat versus trying to use the fix-a-flat kit that doesn't even work. So the fourth thing that I hate about my car are the floor mats. So don't get me wrong, I think that the accent stitch floor mats, it's a nice touch. But the fact that they're cloth instead of having the premium floor liner, that's made out of rubber, to me, it's just, I'd rather have the premium floor liner than accent stitched cloth floor mats. Ford does offer the premium floor mats for $170 on the website. You can get them, when you custom order it, you can get them, but I think that if you're getting the Mustang GT Premium, it should come with the premium floor liners. I mean, to me, it's like a no-brainer, just if you're willing to spend extra money on the premium, then have it include the premium floor liners. But, Ford, they do their own thing, and it is what it is. The fifth thing that I hate about my car is the steering wheel. I love the steering wheel. It's nice, it's comfortable, it's leather wrapped and stitched. The buttons are easy to use and it's easy to get used to. But what I hate is that I have the Mustang GT Premium Performance Pack 1 and it doesn't have a flat bottom steering wheel. Nothing screams performance like a flat bottom steering wheel, alright? And if you get either performance packages, it should come with a flat bottom steering wheel. Look, if you're willing to spend the money for a performance package, either performance pack 1 or 2, it should come with a flat bottom steering wheel. You should be rewarded with a flat bottom steering wheel. It's like saying, hey look, this guy, if there's nothing else that shows you that this car is performance based, here's a flat bottom steering wheel to show you that this guy purchased the performance package. That's just how I feel. I mean, look, even Dodge threw one on their Caravan wide body, Challenger fat body. Challenger wide body, scat pack, can't drive the car through a drive-through, can't drive up to an ATM without scraping your rims. The Mustang GT is better than the Challenger in every way. So there you have it, 5 things that I hate about my car. Please comment if you agree with the 5 things I hate about the car, or if there's 5 things that you hate about your Mustang, all right? So like always, if you like what you're watching, please like the video, subscribe, and again, hit the bell so you can be caught up with our latest JDub Twins videos, all right? And like always, stay tuned for the next JDub Twins episode. All right, peace out.